Hi, I'm Will Burns with How To Ransom Reviews from blogiversity.org. I'm going to show you how to organize your mail and why you should be using IMAP instead of PopMail. So PopMail is old. You shouldn't use it. IMAP is better because it's designed for multiple devices. PopMail is not. The problem with PopMail is that if one of your computers downloads the message, then your other computer won't get it. Or if you set it up so that it leaves all the messages, all of your messages come to all your computers, but then when you read it on one, it's not read on the other, and if you delete the message on one computer, it's not deleted on the other one, so it causes problems. You have to delete the message over and over again on all your different machines. IMAP solves all those problems, and I'm going to show you how to set that up on Gmail. Now this is Gmail right here in the settings panel. What you want to do is you go in here to your settings, and then you go to your forwarding and PopMail. And what you want to do is you want to enable your POP or enable the IMAP and disable the POP messaging, and then you save those changes. After you have enabled the IMAP and disabled the POP mail, what you have to do is change the incoming and outgoing server addresses in your mail program. Once you've completed that, your IMAP mail should be up. The next thing I want to show you is a cool little trick that I've learned with Gmail, and it involves these Gmail labels. Like you see, the Apple Mail program adds a couple of these in here, like the Apple Mail To Do, and deleted message, sent items, and sent messages. The cool thing about these labels is they're like little folders that you can add to your Gmail account. Like I can say, add a new label and call it Me. So now I have a new folder called Me, and this folder will show up in your mail program as well as on your iPhone or any other devices. But what you can do with this is you can create filters and have mail filed into them based on the filter. So if I have a subject, and just for instance, if the subject was Me, and we want it to go to the Me label, you hit create. And now we just set up a filter that every time a mail message comes to Me with the subject Me, it will be labeled Me. And it will go into the Me folder. And as you can see down here, you have the Me label. And the cool thing about this is once you go into your mail and you sync this up, let me shrink this window down so you can see. See, it has a Me. Gotta sync this, synchronize with Gmail. See, you'll have a Me folder, and every time someone sends you a message, Me. See, there it goes out. And here it comes in, and there it is. So the Me folder now has a message labeled Me. It does show up in your mailbox. It doesn't actually move the message, but it will put it in the special folder that you set up for it. In order to get it to actually move the message, you'll actually have to create a rule and say, you know, if subject contains Me, move message to Me, and hit OK, and that will move all the messages with subject Me to the Me folder. Now it's not going to do this on the server side. It'll only do it in your mail program, but it will work running. So IMAP will keep all your mail messages organized. If you read one mail message on one device, it'll show up as read on the other device. It's very handy. It'll keep you very organized. If you use Gmail, those labels can auto-file all your emails for you, which is also very handy.